Do you have a Yukon 2005 Yukon Denali XL with a 6.0? Well, so do I. Welcome. But if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, please check out my GMC Yukon playlist, where you'll see tons of GMC Yukon repair videos. Before we get started, I wanted to share with you my new playlist. This playlist has nothing but lighting repair or lighting upgrade to LED and maybe some exotic lighting. So check it out. Just click above on the right hand corner and it'll take you there. Okay, let's get to work. We're going to be working on the passenger side, so go ahead and open up the passenger door and you'll see at the bottom there the door courtesy light. If you look at the red arrows, you're going to see two slots on the top and one on the bottom. You're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to stick it in that little slot in there and work it out a little bit. Once you got it out, stick your finger in there and kind of hold it out. Then go ahead and take your screwdriver and do the same thing on the bottom, kind of work it out. It should pop right out. Just like that. Once you have it out, go ahead and unsnap the light here. It snaps in. This one's a little loose, but don't be afraid to wiggle around and loosen it to where it unsnaps. And there's your light bulb. Now if you're going to replace your light bulb, just pull this one out and put the other one in. But what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade this light to an LED. This one right here. I found these LEDs on eBay. There's a lot of companies out there selling packages like this. Anyway, I noticed when I tested to see if the light went in the fixture, it didn't want to go in, the hole was too small. So what I did is I took a bolt about the similar size, wrapped it with some sandpaper, and sanded the curved part of the fixtures just enough so the light will go in. After you sand it, wash it with some soap and water, that way you can get any debris that's in there after you sanded it, so it looks nice and clean. Once it was big enough, I checked to see if it would fit in. Make sure when you check it, the light doesn't pop in there because you're never going to get it out. Okay, once you know the light can go in, let's go ahead and remove the old light bulb and install our new LED light. Once you have it installed, go ahead and go to the driver's side and turn your interior lights on by turning the dial. You'll hear it click in. You'll see your map lights come on. Check to see if the light on the door came on. If it doesn't come on, come back to the passenger side, unplug the light and turn it 180 and plug it back in. Now go back and turn your interior lights on. You'll hear it click. Your light should come on. Just like that. Once you know the light is working properly, go ahead and snap it in the fixture. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and snap the fixture back into the door, just like you took it out. Slide it in, push in, you'll hear it snap. There you go. You're good to go. It looks good and works great. Well, looks like we got 3 more to go. See how easy that was? Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!